Okay, now it's time for dessert, Susan, and you have a family favorite that you're so generously sharing with all of us.
Yes.
Tell us what we are getting ready to make here.
It is called Wacky Cake. It's a chocolate cake and it doesn't require any eggs.
Oh.
It uses baking soda, vegetable oil, vinegar, and water.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So there's a substitute for the rising
Yes.
part of it.
Yes.
Yeah. Especially
Yeah.
the vinegar, having
Yeah.
that in there makes
Yeah.
the difference.
Yeah.
And this is a recipe that was your mom's.
Yes.
And one you were telling me that she made for all of your
She makes
birthdays.
for all my birthdays,
Still
my
is
siblings'
making.
birthdays, made it for my husband's birthdays. Yeah.
A special family recipe.
Yes,
We
it
love
is.
those kind of, and
Yeah.
it was given to her by a good friend.
Yes,
In
Wanda
Fort-
Boncon
in Fort Worth.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here we go. So you have sugar and flour
Yes,
already
already
in the
in
bowl.
here. Yep.
And I'm going to add a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
There we go.
And then this is the cocoa powder
Okay.
and the baking
So
soda.
basically we've got
the
all the dry
and
ingredients
so
together.
You want to mix it all together. And then for some reason, I have no idea, but you're supposed to make 3 holes.
Oh,
So you make a hole for the vanilla,
okay.
a hole for the vegetable oil, and then a hole for, I'm trying to remember what the third one is for.
So we have water, vinegar.
Water, vinegar, and the Wesson oil.
And the Wesson oil.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So here we go.
In each hole.
In each little
So
hole.
you
I don't
wonder
know
where
why,
that began.
where that began.
Just one of those idiosyncratic
Yes.
things. And
Yep.
it could be the difference between the cake turning out.
I don't know. And then you pour a cup of water over it.
And then basically everything gets mixed up
And you
anyway.
mix it, yeah. Yeah, so I'm not quite sure, but that's the way my mom did it.
So we're going to do it. If
We're gonna
nothing
do it.
else, it's for good luck.
Yes,
With
yes.
this cake turning out.
Well, I always heard that story about the lady that cooked a roast and how her mom always cut it, and she cut it because it was too big for the pan.
Whether it was
Was
or not.
not.
It
Yep,
was not
she
too
just
big.
always cut it. So, yeah, yeah. So here we're just gonna mix it all up, and once it's mixed,
I love this cake because it's one layer. It's really perfect for like a family of 4. You're not
Yes.
just stuck with like a big triple layer, a big 9
Yes.
by 13.
Yes.
This is just almost like dessert for one night.
Right.
It's perfect.
and you can double it and put it in a brownie pan.
Oh, okay.
Or you can double it and do 2 layers.
And
That's
do
what
2
my
layers.
mom would do, is do 2
Oh,
layers and do the
okay.
frosting in between and then frost the whole cake.
It's very rare that you see a recipe that is just one pan.
Yeah.
So I think that's really
Yes,
nice. But
yeah.
you do have the option to double it if
Yes.
you want to. So there we go. And so we're going to put this in the oven and bake it
Yep, at 350
at
for
350.
about 25 to 30 minutes, and you stick a toothpick in, and whenever it comes clean, that means it's done.
the traditional way of checking a cake. I
Exactly.
love that. Okay, the cake is in the oven, and now we are making the icing.
Yes.
So I saw that you had Baker's unsweetened chocolate.
Yes.
And you added some
Crisco.
to it.
Yes.
Put it in the microwave. It's
Yeah,
melted.
melted.
And here in this bowl we have some. This is just powdered sugar,
I
right?
went ahead and sifted it.
That's
yes.
been sifted.
Mhm.
Okay. And so
And then-
now we're going to take your mixture and add
Yes,
it to it.
and
The
add
powdered
this
sugar.
first. And then we've got some milk
And add the milk
and vanilla.
and vanilla. Do you have a special kind of vanilla you like to use?
I use Mexican vanilla, but it's this Mexican vanilla.
This one? Yes,
yeah,
I'm
it's
familiar
not,
with
It's
this.
not as strong. I find the one from Mexico is a little bit too strong for my taste. So this one,
This is a good brand, and I know that they also monitor the factory really well.
oh, okay.
So you know
That's good
that
to
there's
know.
nothing else in here other than good vanilla. So yeah, good choice of brands.
Now this recipe is to do 2 layers. layers. Now we're
Okay.
just making one layer right now, but this will frost 2 layers.
Okay.
And I'm not quite sure where we got the recipe, but this is the one my mom.
It's the one she always
It's
uses
the
on
one
the
she
wacky
always
cake.
uses,
It's
that's
the
right.
wacky icing to go on the wacky cake.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And there it is.
All
And it's
right.
also good to put on cream puffs.
Oh, yeah.
Make cream puffs during
Yeah, that's a really
Christmas.
nice consistency.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay. No.
There we go.
Yay!
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, now it's time to frost. If you'll notice, our cake's a little sideways, but we just talked about it's not about perfection, it's about taste. And we're going to use about half of this frosting on here because we have another cake.
Let you help me.
Smells so good.
It is really good.
Nothing better than
Death
chocolate.
by chocolate.
Yeah. My grandson says if it's not chocolate, it's not dessert. Put a pretty little swirl on there.
Yeah, look at you.
There we go. And there we have it. We're cutting the cake. Oh, yum. Can't wait to try this. Yum.
The moment of truth.
Mmm. Oh my goodness, it's so moist.
Very moist. It's always moist.
That is melt in your mouth good. That's almost like eating candy. That is really good. Yay, Mom!
That's right.
Glad she found this recipe. And now we're sharing it with everybody.
That's right. Absolutely.
Oh, this is wonderful. Wow.
Glad you like it. Now you'll
Yeah,
make some
calls
milk.
for another bite. Thank y'all so much for doing this. This has been so much fun. I knew it would be fun. I told you they were fun. And we have a tradition at Texicurean that once we cook together, you are now a Texicurean, and I have an apron that says
Oh, thank you so
everything
much.
tastes better in Texas.
Amen.
Amen.
Preach, sister.
Thank you.
I love
Well,
it.
thank you so much.
Thank you. This has been a lot of fun.
Oh, it's been awesome.
I vote we dig in on all this stuff that we
I love it. I love it.